Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival here today. This time it is a VAUXHALL Corsa. This is a 1.4 SRI VX line, 5-door, lovely car. It's done 84,000 miles. Now these are particularly popular with the newer drivers because they are Group 6 insurance and just £35 a year to tax. So running costs on these are low for the newer drivers, and it is fully spec'd up. So we've got alloys, we've got a little bit of a body kit going on, nice sports seats, it's got a touchscreen media system in it. I'll try and show you that. So that screen there, if you can get the glare off it, that doubles up as an Apple CarPlay when you connect your phone via USB. 84,843 miles as we do the video today. Nice sports seats. It's a real little eyeful, this one. Will come with a service, will come with a new MOT, and it will come with 3 months parts and labour warranty. More pictures on the website, that's rossandparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give us a call 07 868 722 133.